Assalamu alaikum viewers. In this story, I will tell you about the consular service portal. If you received this email, I just have to click on it, and you see that hello, you have not proceeded your pending application for 1 days. Your application will be automatically deleted in 59 days. If it has not been processed by then, log into the consular service portal using the following link to continue with your application. So you can click here, or you can also log in to the website. If you When you log in on the website, then this interface will be see as you can see that on my screen is available. I hope you have already know about how to register, how to log in, or how to fill the data, and how to open the blog account, and each and everything are already because I have already made each and everything on this channel. You just have to visit and then watch from there. So in this tutorial I will just tell you about this email. So I have login here, and then I saw on the screen that so your application is still on the waiting list. Please confirm your application request if you still wish to submit an application. Otherwise, your application will be removed from the waiting list. Estimated waiting time approximately 2 to 6 months. So I just have to click on the confirm. So I have just click on the confirm, and application request confirmed. Your application will remain on the waiting list. You will be notified as soon as you can submit it. Okay, so just you have to click on it. So as you can see that my documents are already, each and everything is already completed and available here. So all the documents are already uploaded, but here you can see that. So now you just have to wait it. You will receive the email like this. So the each and every step is available here. Submit documents, apply for visa. You just have to wait it. Primarily review. After that, each and everything is written is here. So you just have to wait it, and you can also view the documents from here. Each and everything I have already told you. So you don't need to do anything, just you have to confirm it. That's it. So it's very simple. So please like the video and subscribe the channel for daily updates, and for the new queries, and for the new uh, information. As you can see that school living certificate now it's is in uh, documented form. So you cannot delete it, you just can view it by clicking here. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.